In front of me is Redmi 14R and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then hit Permission Manager. Select one of your device's features to manage and click on one of your apps. Then apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. And go back. If you want to, you can also pick any feature, tap on an app that you are interested in, and instead of clicking on any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen apps the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!